Wah, bapak besar.
That's what she said. Anyway, here is the refrigerator in our office and we're about to unbox it. This is supposed to be unboxed by the delivery people. Due to unforeseen circumstances, I have to unbox it myself. So here we go. We're almost at the end. Let's get rid of. Okay, fridge unboxing and tech unboxing is very different. Let's go into this. Okay, so here we have the Xiaomi smart refrigerator. Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. Let's find out. Oh. Okay. No, Ace, I don't need a hand. I'm a man, and as a man, I should be able to do this. Can be opened from the top and bottom open here. Like swing it open, is it? Oh. And then now what? Oh. Okay. So, explains why I couldn't lift it up just now. Is it gonna hit the light? Xiaomi! You got a problem with me, son? Are you electrocuting me? Anyway, this fridge costs 2,899 ringgit, but for a limited time, Xiaomi is offering this fridge for 2,399 ringgit. Ready to see the fridge in its full glory? We're going to cut here and we're going to clean this up before we continue exploring the fridge. Okay, we're back. First thing I noticed, Xiaomi didn't put this on right. It's a bit slanted, but it's okay. Just gonna peel this off. Okay. Ooh, fancy. So when you order this fridge, you wouldn't have to worry about doing all this because the guys who deliver it will help you out. But for me, Alex said, no help, you're on your own. Hence, I'm here. Okay, I ruined it. Power cable. Huh, it's going to the top. That's weird. But okay. Let me do it. Okay lah, you do this lah. Smooth. This Xiaomi smart refrigerator, and we'll explain why I put smart in air quotes, is 510 liters. It's a 4-door unit, but it's not 4 sections. It's a single section that uses 2 doors. Okay, there we go. See? Let's remove this piece. Sorry, Izu. That's a lot of plastic to peel. If you were to buy a Porsche 911 GT3 and it gets delivered, this is exactly how much of plastic wrapping that you need to take out of the car as well. So you are getting the unboxing experience of a Porsche 911 GT3 RS for just 2,399 ringgit. Ouch! So while removing more plastic, we realized that I don't know whether we are doing this right or wrong, but it seems like what did you do? It seems like it's not possible to remove the shelves. It's blocking here and it's also blocking here. Okay, sorry. So it was us doing it wrong. You're supposed to tilt it and then pull it out. And now we can remove this easily. So I guess I have to remove this whole thing. You have the top compartment here with what Xiaomi calls silver fresh tag. So we use the silver elements to remove odor and bacteria. This is what Xiaomi calls the iFresh box. It has this temperature indicator. So this means that for this compartment, you can adjust the temperature independently of the main area. So I think you can see also inside there, it has its own outlet for the cooling. This side, you don't get that. Yeah, so it's only on this side. This side follows the temperature you set for the main compartment. Shelves on the doors, which are also removable for easy cleaning. There's 3 on each door. The freezer compartment is down here with even more packaging. It's a good thing whatever tape Xiaomi is using doesn't leave a sticky residue. So this is where they kept the instruction manual. So here's the instruction manual and the ice box, a Xiaomi branded ice box. Oh, that's a lot of ice. More tape. Can be slid in and out, so you can easily access whatever that's here, including this ice box. The temperature control for the freezer is a single zone. So despite having 2 compartments, they share the same temperature control. Crap. Don't tell Alex. There we go. This color is what Xiaomi calls grey metallic. It is metal, but it's a softer metal. It looks understated. It looks sleek and stylish. So if you put this in the kitchen, it doesn't draw too much attention to itself. Now what we're going to do is move it to its final position and turn it on so I can show you what these features do. Now this thing weighs around 85 kilograms and I only can carry up to 84 kilograms. So I'm going to need some help. So I'm going to go call Samantha. We'll try to move it. Okay, and then move it out. Yeah. Okay. Okay, pull it out. Yeah. Sam, pull it out. Okay. Yep. Oh, wait. The plug.
Oh, yeah. We always ripped it up.
Yeah. Yeah. Terima kasih, Syab. Guys, say thanks to Samantha.
Who's Samantha anyway?
Yes, it's working. Even after all the things we put it through, it's working. Nice. Okay, so this is a 1.5 liter water bottle and it can easily fit on the shelf. You could put one more here. Yep. So 3 1.5 liter water bottles can fit on the door shelf. Let's see in the main compartment. Yeah, obviously you can't put it standing, but yeah, lying flat. That's how much space it occupies. And then this fresh box. Yep. Oh, that's an exact, almost an exact fit.
Kau kena buka ke atas untuk ada lampu sikit lah. Tapi still tak visible. Yeah. Okay, bye.
You can see the Wi-Fi status is here, and then there's an AI status here. Not sure what that does. So you have your 3 sections here. You have the fridge, which is the main compartment, the iFresh, which is the one I showed you earlier, this section, and then the freezer. So if you want to set a temperature, you click on the one that you want to set, keep clicking until you hit the right temperature. So same for the other two. And then for mode, so AI mode is Xiaomi's automatic mode. So it handles the temperature based on how much food there is, I guess, inside the fridge. And then you have the super cool mode. And the last one is the super freeze mode. So I guess this just freezes everything in the fridge. Sorry, it's just the freezer compartment only. I have the app here with me, and we'll try to see if it can detect the fridge. Yes, I agree, Xiaomi. Sign me in. Okay, so we're going to scan. Well, I guess there's nothing to scan, so I guess we have to wait. Samsung, stop being annoying. Okay, gonna add device. Allow. Oh, cool. That was fast. It detected the fridge. Okay, we're gonna click on the fridge and choose our Wi-Fi. Oh. Now it's connecting to the fridge. Successfully done. Create a new room. We're gonna say this. Okay. Next. Sure. No, I don't like my family. Do not share. Continue to prompt. Load faster. Agree. Okay, cool. So with this, you can control the fridge. You have your auto, super cool, and super freeze, which is the one that I showed you earlier. And you can set the temperature of the fridge from the app, and you also have automation. This fridge also works with Google Home and Google Assistant voice control, so you can use the voice control to set the temperature for the different sections. But what you cannot do with the voice control is change the modes between super cool, super freeze, and auto. So, well, there you have it. The Xiaomi smart fridge, 510 liters. Catch you in the next one. Bye.